Welcome back to Gurongpinoy's MASH, our Module Assistance for Students Help Desk. In today's MASH, we are coming back with Math 6, Week 4. Now, Exercise 3, challenge yourself with more problems. A rectangular lagoon is 3.4 meters long and 3.85 meters wide. What is the perimeter of the lagoon? Now, again, your lagoon here is rectangular, so that means it has the length and the width. Okay, so this should be your lagoon. Now the length is 3.4 meters. So that means if this side here is 3.4 meters, this other side should also be 3.4 meters. And the width is given as 3.85 meters. So if this side is 3.85 meters, the other side should also be the same. Okay? Now, for you to get the perimeter of this lagoon, all you need to do is to add all of the values that you have here. Okay, so that's 3.4 plus 3.4 plus 3.85 plus 3.85. Okay, now again, make sure that you follow the different steps that we have in adding your decimals. Now, number 2, Joseph jogged 3.450 kilometers on Monday and 5.970 kilometers on Tuesday. How many more kilometers does he need to jog to reach 50 kilometers? Okay, now all you need to do here is to first get the sum of 3.450 and 5.970. Okay, now once you get the sum of that, you subtract that from 50 kilometers. And that's going to be your answer. Number 3, Rogelio went to the grocery store. She bought a can of milk for 23.50 pesos and a can of biscuits for 54.75 pesos. How much change did she receive from her 100 pesos? The process that you have here is very similar to that of number 2. All you need to do is to add your two values here, 23.50 pesos and 54.75 pesos, then whatever is the sum, you deduct that from 100 pesos. So that's going to be 100 minus whatever is the sum of your first two values. Now we go to number 4. If the width of a rectangular garden is 14.5362 meters, find its perimeter if the length is twice its width. Okay, there is actually a problem with the words that you have here in your questions. It should be if the length is twice its width, okay? You can also solve the perimeter of your rectangle by using the following formula. That would be perimeter equals 2 times the quantity length plus width. Now again, in our problem here, we are not given the value of length. We're only told that the length is twice its width. And we are, of course, given the value of our width. Okay, now we can say that the perimeter is equal to 2 times the quantity. We multiply the value of our width here so that we can get the length. Okay, so that's 2 times 14.5362 because we are told that the length is twice the width plus 14.5362 meters, which is actually our width. Okay, so that is our width. Our length is said to be twice our width, and so we use this quantity here to get the value of our length. Okay, now proceeding with our operations, we have perimeter equals 2 times the quantity, 2 times 14.5362 meters is equal to 29.0724 meters. Plus, we only copied the width that we have here. Okay, now we proceed with the addition of the values that we have in our parentheses. P equals 2 times 43.6086 meters. Okay, that is the answer to the addition of 29.0724 meters and 14.5362 meters. Now, the last step that we need to do is to multiply 2 by the number that we have in the parentheses. And so we know that the perimeter is equal to 87.2172 meters. That should be the answer. This has been Coach Mek of Gurongpinoy. Please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to all our social media accounts. And I leave you with the saying, maliit man na butil ng mga kaalaman, ang dulo nito ay malaking kaginawaan.